my lovelies, welcome back to my platform Dating Books. In today's video, I'm actually going to be talking to you about my reading goals for the year. Okay, so let's get started right away. Start with my first reading goal. It's actually going to be on the number of books that I'm planning to read this year. Now, in the past, like over the 7-8 years in the past, I've read like about 20 to 25 books a year, whereas this year I'm actually targeting to read about 40 books. Now, I know it's a bit of a stretch, but it's high time that I up it and achieve that particular target, which is about, one book in about 8 to 10 days of time, which is very much achievable. And that's the reason I have set this target of about 40 books, this year. So let's see how I would be going about it. I will also be uploading this target on the Goodreads. Now the next, goal for me is bookish related goal is that I am actually planning to join a book club this year. So book clubs are places where people meet. They decide on a particular book to read, and then they meet on a particular date, like once a month or once a fortnight, and they discuss about the book that they have read. So let's see how that goes. I have actually shortlisted some book clubs in my city, which is Chennai, and I'm planning to join it and read regularly the books that that particular book club is going to be selecting. Okay, now the third goal for this particular year is that I would definitely want to give back to the reading community by regularly updating the reviews on Goodreads. So I read a lot, but I miss out on giving out reviews on Goodreads, and Goodreads is a place where a lot of people go up and look up for the good books, for the reviews of books that they would like to read. So as a part of giving back to the community, I would diligently try and update my reviews on Goodreads. When I say reviews, it's not just the rating, but what I liked about the book, what I did not like about the book, is basically a short description, a short review about the entire book, entire reading experience is what I'm going to be giving out on Goodreads. Now the fourth goal is that I would actually like to make videos regularly and upload on YouTube and Instagram. I know it's been like a couple of years since I started this channel, but I have not been quite regular in uploading videos. So I really would like to upload videos regularly, at least one video per week, and largely on book reading and book reviews as I usually do. And I'm actually going to be also want to introduce the TBR and the reading wrap up sessions from this year onwards. So that's another goal, the fourth goal. The next goal that I would like to talk about is I would like to pick up a book on historical fiction. Uh, I haven't read much on historical fiction, but I have, researched on it. So at least one book I would like to read on historical fiction, and so this is like a set of goals on the type of books that I would like to read. So the fifth goal is going to be a list of sub goals. The next, I would want to read graphic novels, at least 2 to 3 graphic novels. I have read in the past, but not much. Maybe like one a year. That's it. But this year, at least 3 graphic novels is what I am targeting at. Let's see how I go about that. The next one is I actually want to read an autobiography, any autobiography, be it business, be it historical person, be it from an entertainment industry. Any autobiography is something I would like to pick up sometime this year. And my fourth goal is that I want to read this particular series, which is I'm already reading lot, Harry Potter, in the fantasy fiction genre, but I would also like to pick up Lord of the Rings. So I want to finish both Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings. I've started with Hobbit, and I'm on the fourth book of Harry Potter. So that is my next goal, that I want to finish the both the series of fantasy fiction this year somehow. And my next goal for the year is that I want to listen to audiobooks. Audiobooks is something that I want to give time to. I'd started this habit last year, and I've been listening to audiobooks on Storytel. It's just about 300 rupees of subscription per month. It's quite easy and convenient to be listening to it when you're doing some of your daily chores. But I want to like to listen more of the audiobooks, and it's very convenient, and it kind of helps you read more, or rather, complete more books. So that is another goal of mine. And lastly, on the type of book that I would like to read, I would also like to pick up any book based on history and go through it. So let's see how I go about that. Mythology, I'm not having any goals because I naturally know that I would definitely pick up some books on mythology, so I don't have to set a goal for myself for that. But the other types of books I generally don't pick up, and that's the reason I wanted to set the goals for it. So just to summarize my goals for the year, my first goal is going to be about reading about 40 books this year, which is higher than the 20-25 books that I read every year. And I'm going to be uploading this target on Goodreads as well. The next goal is that I would like to update reviews regularly on Goodreads on each and every book that I'm going to be reading or listening to if it's an audiobook. And the third goal is that I would like to make reviews or upload videos regularly on YouTube, which I haven't been doing and I have been lacking a bit. My fourth goal for the year is that I would like to join a book club and discuss books that the club picks up on a regular basis. Okay, and the next goal is going to be about reading or rather listening to audiobooks more frequently, and because it's quite convenient, I would definitely make a video on sharing my experiences on audiobooks to all of you. And my last goal is on the type of books that I would want to read, and that the first one is that I would like to pick up a book on historical fiction, any book on history, an autobiography, graphic novels. I would like to read more. Fantasy fiction, I would like to read. I would like to finish Harry Potter as well as the Lord of the Rings. So these are my goals for the year, and let's see how I'm going to be doing this year. With respect to the number of books, I have already finished about 2 books for the year. So happy reading, guys, and I will be posting my update regularly with all of you. So wish me luck and happy weekend and happy reading. Goodbye.